Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and in my opinion, if a candy bar and a protein bar had a baby, it would be this WELLBAR. These protein bars taste incredible. They are so chewy and soft. They do not at all have the texture that I normally associate with protein bars. I think you probably know that unpleasant texture that I'm talking about, kind of gritty, dry, like cardboard. Well, these WELLBARs completely break the protein bar mold. To me, eating one of these feels like a major treat. I find this bar to be the perfect thing to pair with a nice hot cup of coffee, and I feel really good about eating them. I'm blown away by the fact that they only have 2 grams of sugar per bar. Normally when I eat things that are low sugar, they kind of have this weird fakey taste, but I don't notice that at all with these. I would never be able to tell the difference between these and their high sugar counterparts. In the past few years, I've become really focused on reaching high protein goals, but that can be a challenge sometimes, especially when I am on the go. These are a super convenient and tasty option to take with me, and they pack 20 grams of protein. If you're like me and you've kind of been turned off by protein bars in the past, well, do yourself a favor and give these WELLBARs a try. But that's just my point of view.